So YouTube isn't banning AI content, but it is quietly reshaping who gets paid and who doesn't, and many creators are only realizing it after their revenue starts disappearing. Over time, YouTube has begun demonetizing channels that rely heavily on automated, AI-generated scripts, robotic voiceovers, repetitive visuals, and mass-produced formats, especially when there's little to no clear human involvement. This isn't about hating AI or stopping innovation, it's about value. From YouTube's perspective, the platform has been flooded with content that looks polished on the surface but feels empty underneath. Videos made fast, uploaded faster, and forgotten even faster. That's why the rules are tightening. AI is still allowed, but only as a tool, not as the creator. If a video doesn't add personal insight, original commentary, storytelling, or a clear human perspective, YouTube may classify it as low value or inauthentic. And once that happens, monetization becomes a lick. Risk, no matter how many views the channel gets. This shift sends a very clear message. Speed alone no longer wins. Automation alone no longer works. And faceless content factories are no longer the future. YouTube wants creators, not machines pushing volume. Personality now matters more than production speed. Intention matters more than templates. And originality matters more than efficiency. In the end, AI won't replace creators, but creators who remove themselves from their own content may slowly replace their relevance, because the platforms of the future aren't built for automation alone. They're built for humans who know how to use tools without becoming one.